Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Besam number 30-06-102 Swingmaster Outswing Arm Assembly. Let's go over what this is going to include. Obviously the business end, the arm itself. Okay, we go like this. The outswing arm assembly, that's where you're basically doing a top jam installation is how I would know it, or what I would call it. You know, the operator is up on the header, on the push side of the door, and obviously that's going to make your door open and close. Quite a heavy endeavor, it weighs 4.1 pounds. It's basically steel, painted aluminum. Okay, where it's going to connect to your shaft. It's going to include the spline adapter that's there. Okay, your bolts and your riv nuts, so to speak, for attaching that down to the 1/8 inch thick aluminum style doors, what that's intended for. Adjustable for different reveals. That's probably going to thread out several inches to account for typical reveals. Piece of threaded rod that's inside of there. Also, the cap is included to attach it to the spindle along with the bolt. So there's your spline adapter. That's going to fit over the shaft coming out of your unit. You're going to have your cap, and of course your bolt for attaching it down to the shaft coming out of the unit. Okay, so that accessory package is also included there. This is for Swingmaster Outswing Arms, Outswing Arm applications, and obviously in an aluminum finish. Heavy duty arm, there's a lot of force that is created when automatic doors open. Arms like this are not uncommon to replace. And it's not that there's necessarily a problem with the arm, because there isn't. But there's just a tremendous amount of force that's generated on automatic operators. So arms, they can also be, of course, vandalized, especially in an outswing application where they're sticking off the face of the door. There could be a tendency, of course, any engineer or locksmith that works on a college campus will tell you that the children like to try to do chin-ups on items like this, pieces of equipment like this, door closer arms in particular. So it could be vandalism, or it could just be wear and tear. There are 50 billion cycles of automatic doors in the world on an annual basis, so lots of cycling doors constantly. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Besam products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's page, manufacturer's website, as well as a link to to different catalogs and encyclopedic documents. That's the page where we will keep things like owner's manuals, wiring diagrams, things of that nature. If you have any questions on the Besam 30-06-102 Swingmaster Outswing Arm or any other Besam product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.